Hey, Alex from Referable here. I've just finished doing this for my finance team at Voyage, and I thought I'd share this with you because it's pretty cool. It's going to just pre-seed referrals. It's going to send our business card out. I really like it. The team really likes it, so I'm going to share it with you. So at the moment, when someone comes into our company, the first thing we encourage them to do is to book an appointment. We send them a link, or they go to the website, they book an appointment. Doing that just enables us to get them into our system, into our workflows, onto our email lists. Makes it easy for us to just help them by ensuring that they are getting all the things that they should be getting automatically. So when someone books an appointment with us, an intro appointment, the first thing they're going to do is obviously enter their name, their email address, their phone number to enable us to call them. Once they're in the system, this is the flow that they're going to go through, and I've just amended this to better send and pre-seed our business details for each of our advisors, and then also to start pre-seeding referrals a bit better as well. This is Client OS, which is my version of Go High Level. We run all of our appointments through here and a lot of our marketing and bits and pieces as well. So when someone books an appointment, they are going to receive this first SMS, which is going to be, let me just move me out of the way. Hi, your appointment's been confirmed for start time in this time zone with this particular advisor. We'll send you an email to confirm, and we'll send your advisor's contact details shortly. So that's the first thing they receive. Now, the second thing they're going to get is obviously the appointment confirmation email goes out at the same time. What we're going to do though is I've built this little webhook. So if you don't need to know about webhooks, this takes some building out. It takes some knowledge of webhooks and APIs. I do try to make it as easy as possible in Referable, so you can set this up automatically if you want to. If you've received an appointment booking and you just want to send something, like you can do it manually inside Referable. It's really easy to do. If you wanted to send someone your contact details, you can just go add contact, and then you can send them an SMS with the link to your business card with all the bits and pieces that a business card involves. If you wanted to do it programmatically and automatically, you will need to use APIs and endpoints. I do have some tutorials on how to do that in the help docs, but ignore most of this for the time being. All we're doing is just sending some information off. We're sending the information that we've received, like the clients or the leads information, sending it to Referable, and Referable is creating a business card that's unique to them and then sending it back to Client OS, and then we're able to send that out in our workflow. That's all that's happening here. That's a little webhook. And then once we've got that card link, we're then able to send this SMS. Hi, someone's advisor here. Here's a link to my details. Please open and tap save contact so that it's in your phone and so that you know who's calling for our meeting. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get ourselves into their phone, and then we're also wanting to precede the idea of sharing, referring, contacting us. So you can see the next line is, this link is unique to you and has a short video from me as well as ways to contact, share, and refer. So that's what gets sent out. I'm going to show you what that actually looks like. So I've just run myself through this process to make sure that it all works. This is my phone that I've just pulled up, and you can see, hi, Josh here, literally exactly the same as what's here. Here's a link to my details. Please open and tap save contact so it's in your phone. This link is unique to you and also has a short video from me as well as ways to contact, share, and refer. Look forward to chatting. So the idea is that the user is going to tap on that. It's going to open up in browser. This is actually opened up in my Referable app, but your lead is unlikely to have the app downloaded. And then, so before they're even on the call, they're going to be able to see a bit of a video from you or your advisor, and they're going to get the full benefit of everything in a business card. Profile pic, logo, bio, short video, save contact. So that's what we're wanting the user or the lead to do, to save contact, and that'll just save obviously directly into their phone contacts. Submit, find a way to the office, most importantly, share or refer. And you can see this is Alex Bramble, that's me's unique referral card for Josh. So what we're able to do, refer to us. I'll need to change that. That's not meant to be showing there. It's meant to be another promotion that we've got running at the moment. So I will take that one down. But what this is designed to do is then on that first phone call, we are able to say, hey, did you get our contact details? Did you save me? Awesome. That card is actually, and that link is actually unique to you. So if you've got any friends or family who are interested in finance, or in our case, finance, or if we can help them in any way, you can actually refer someone directly to us just by coming into share or refer. That person can just scan this QR code. Or you can actually ask me to contact someone if you want. So if you've got someone who, if you want to take it a step further, I'd love to be able to speak to them. And if you think I definitely should, you can actually just submit their details directly to me on that form, and then I will give them a call depending on the instructions that you put in here. This referral will contact, or this referral's waiting for Josh to reach out, and then I'll just take a note of that, and then I'll be able to contact them. So we're able to do that from the very beginning. So instead of waiting for our service to finish and then being really awkward about saying, hey, if you really liked us, would you mind referring us? We're just building it in as part of we're seeding it as part of our business process. So this is just the way we operate. You've got this card, you can refer us really easily. So we're seeding that in right at the very beginning. And if you do have a promotion running, let me just jump out of here. You can see we've got the wrong promotion showing. I need to change that because it's got nothing to do with referring. It's recording a video testimonial. We are able to, if we've got some sort of referral promotion, we can stick it here. So whenever the client is looking, we can talk about it in that initial phone call, but whenever the client opens it up, they can see what promotion we're running at the time. Cool. All right, that's it. As I said, we've just implemented that for Voyage. It's going out programmatically. You don't need to do that. You can, if you're doing it a bit more manually, totally fine. You just need to go into Referable and just add contact, and then you can send that card manually, and it just comes from Referable rather than from a different phone number. All right, no dramas. If you've got any questions, let me know. I run demos every Monday and Thursday, so go to the homepage of Referable and click on the demo up in the header, and then you'll be able to jump on. You can ask me any questions. Would love to see how I can help you get more referrals and more business from your network.